Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Rolling Backpacks is probably one of the most essential gear choices for young students, offering a fantastic blend of convenience and practicality that can truly lighten their load, especially when navigating busy school hallways or traveling, ensuring their books, gadgets, and personal items are transported effortlessly without the strain of a heavy traditional backpack, making daily commutes and school life much smoother and more enjoyable for active boys. Number 5. Rockland Double Handle 17 Rolling Backpack, Camo. Introducing the Rockland 17-inch rolling backpack in stylish camo. This versatile bag is perfect for students and travelers alike, offering convenience and durability. Measuring 12.5 by 10 by 19.5 inches with wheels, it provides ample space without being bulky. You can easily fit all your essentials inside. Navigate with ease thanks to its durable double wheels. They ensure smooth rolling, making your commute or travel less strenuous. The front pocket features a built-in organizer, keeping your smaller items tidy and accessible. No more rummaging for pens or your phone. Stay hydrated or carry extra gear with its handy side mesh pockets. They are perfect for water bottles or quick access items. When you need to carry it, the padded shoulder straps offer maximum comfort. They reduce strain, even when the bag is fully loaded. What we like. This classic rolling backpack offers straightforward organization with its front pocket and side mesh pockets. Its padded shoulder straps provide comfort for occasional carrying. If you are looking for a simple, no-frills option for daily school use, this one is a great choice. What people say. Number 4. JanSport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack. Always be organized and prepared for anything with this versatile bag. It features a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve, ensuring your computer stays secure wherever you go. Designed for ultimate convenience, it offers smooth rolling wheels and a telescopic handle. Plus, its tuck-away shoulder straps let you carry it comfortably when needed. Whether for school or work, this sleek rolling backpack helps you express your unique style. It's available in multiple stunning patterns to match your personality. Crafted from high-quality materials, it boasts amazing, long-lasting construction. This wheeled backpack is designed to be strong and reliable for years of use. Designed for functionality, it includes 2 large main compartments, a side bottle pocket, and a front organizer pocket. This ensures you can always keep your essentials neatly arranged. What we like. Designed for the modern student, this bag features a dedicated padded sleeve for your 15-inch laptop. Its versatile design allows you to roll it or wear it as a backpack with tuck-away straps. If you need to carry your tech securely and want a stylish, durable option, this is perfect. What people say. Number 3. VIDOSCLA Black Kids Rolling Backpack 6 Wheels. This backpack offers a generous 31-liter capacity, perfect for all your child's school essentials. Despite its large size, it remains lightweight at just 1.7 kilograms, ensuring comfort for daily use. Equipped with 6 professional climbing wheels, it effortlessly navigates stairs and various terrains. For flat surfaces, 2 wheels provide smooth, silent gliding, making travel easy and quiet. Its clever detachable design offers multi-purpose use, adapting to different needs. The secure trolley base buckle ensures it stays firmly attached, preventing any accidental tipping or falling. Crafted from durable materials with cool, fashionable prints, it boasts smooth operating zippers and sturdy construction. It features better, more useful pockets and a taller, easier-to-grip handle for comfortable pulling. Designed specifically for students from grades 3 to 6, it helps reduce back pressure from heavy books. This stylish and practical choice is ideal for teens, making their school days easier and more comfortable. As professional manufacturers, we stand by the quality and design of our products. We are always online to ensure you have a perfect shopping experience and to answer any questions you may have. What we like. This innovative backpack boasts a unique 6-wheel system, making stair climbing effortless and silent. Its detachable design offers flexibility, allowing you to use the backpack separately. If your child frequently navigates stairs or carries heavy books, this robust solution is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Ponhog 30L Rolling Laptop Backpack. This versatile rolling backpack is designed for modern travelers. It combines the convenience of a suitcase with the comfort of a backpack, making your journey smoother. Boasting a generous 30L capacity, it easily fits a 15.6-inch laptop and all your essentials. Multiple pockets ensure everything has its place, from your passport to water bottles. Equipped with quiet, inset roller wheels, it glides smoothly and offers superior stability. This design also maximizes internal storage compared to bulkier alternatives. Crafted from sturdy 1680D polyester, it resists tears and abrasions. Corner guards and stand feet provide extra protection, while its padded back ensures comfort. Easily switch between rolling and carrying with its hideaway telescoping handle and tuck-away shoulder straps. This flexibility makes it perfect for any situation. Never run out of battery again thanks to its built-in USB charging port. Simply connect your power bank inside to conveniently charge your devices wherever you are. Approved as a personal item for flights, it fits perfectly under subway seats for weekend trips. Its compact design ensures hassle-free travel. What we like. Stay powered on the go with its convenient built-in USB charging port, perfect for your devices. This compact roller is also flight-approved, fitting easily as a personal item for travel. If you're a tech-savvy traveler or commuter needing a compact, charging-ready bag, this is your pick. What people say. Number 1. High Sierra Freewheel Wheeled Laptop Backpack True Navy. This backpack offers a large, multi-compartment design, ensuring ample space for all your essentials. It features a fully padded cushion zone computer sleeve, perfectly fitting most 15-inch laptops, and a deluxe media pocket with a convenient headphone port. Experience smooth and easy travel with its corner-mounted wheels. A hideaway telescoping handle allows you to effortlessly pull it along, making your journey more convenient. When not rolling, you can comfortably carry it using the Vapple mesh padded shoulder straps. These straps conveniently store behind a zippered, primary padded back panel when not in use. Stay hydrated with its practical side beverage pocket. You can also attach extra gear using the handy triangle clip, expanding its carrying capacity. Durability is key, with corner guards and a kick plate protecting it from abrasion. For added safety, it includes a reflective strip, and the Vapple mesh padded grab handle makes it easy to pick up. What we like. This backpack offers extensive organization with its multi-compartment design and a dedicated laptop sleeve. Enhanced with corner guards and a kick plate, it's built for durability and protection. If you prioritize robust construction, safety features, and ample storage for all your gear, this is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.